I received a phone call from a gentleman just a couple of hours ago that wanted to know if Swing Machine can help him choose what stocks to enter and exit, help him manage those positions and ETFs. And the answer to that question is most definitely yes. In fact, we developed Swing Machine first for stocks, and Swing Machine does not use moving averages. Who are we? I'm Bagadon at StockMarketCaddy.com. We are not a broker. We are not a financial advisor. I am not interested in managing your money. We are not giving out fish. We are not giving out stock tips. We are a mentoring site where like-minded people can come and learn from the tens of thousands of hours we have devoted to developing a mechanical, algorithmic, systematic approach to the markets. We have dozens and dozens of proprietary indicators, strategies, and systems that run on the TradeStation platform. We do not have any affiliation with TradeStation other than being an extremely satisfied customer. We have been doing this for some 10 to 15 years. TradeStation's platform, in our view, is the best. It provides us the versatility that we need. For more than 25 years, I taught surgeons how to do surgery. The TradeStation platform is, for all intents and purposes, a surgical instrument for the markets. Take it from me. But let me show you something very quick with regard to Swing Machine. Swing Machine is our proprietary system running on the TradeStation tool called Radar. This is the strategy. These are the stocks. Now, just some of the things that you can do. You can sort in alphabetical order, up or down. You can rank, force rank. We can come here and find out what stocks are dipping. So if your style of trading is to buy the dip, you know what stocks are dipping. You know what stocks are trending long if you want to be selling covered calls against a flat to up market. We draw this down. It'll actually tell you when to enter and when to re-enter. Of course, you can apply your own, discretion as to where and when you want to enter. The RIPS are rallies against shorts, giving you an opportunity if you want to play on the dark side. Don't have to, but if you want to short or buy puts possibly, or know what stocks of yours are now entering into a downtrend so that you can stay on the trend and then actually enter on the short side. Now let me draw this back up without making you dizzy. We can actually sort the purse. So Amazon trading at $18.70, net change on Friday was down $37, almost 2%. On a daily basis, it's in a dip. We've been long for 58 days. We're up. If you had purchased 100 shares, that's the calculus here, in all of these positions. If you had purchased 100 shares, you'd be up $23,260. The entry price was $16.36. The time was 4 p.m., and the entry date was February 26th of this year. We also provide additional information about the trends and resistance in RSI. With the exception of RSI, everything else on here is proprietary. Now, let me show you what else you can do. We can highlight. Well, I'm not sure we showed you. Let me just say this is that, I think we just showed you how you can gather up the dips and the longs. Let's say you want to highlight the entire page, copy, minimize, call up an Excel spreadsheet, and simply paste the entire page into Excel. If you see any numbers, they just need a little wider definition. Our members actually lease this for a year. It's an annual lease where you get this. So you could dress up, if you're good with Excel, you could dress up the Excel page with the header. You can make it look exactly the same. You could delete columns, add columns. You could print it out daily. You could print it out weekly. You could print it out monthly, put it into a book, make your notes. A fantastic tool. You can literally bring our indicators, in the Swing Machine off of your computer page and right on to your desk so that you can manage. Now, let's just scroll down. I want to show you what you can do. We come here. This is the profit and loss column. And let's just give ourselves a little bit of room. And we come here. And we come up here and we hit auto sum. And then we simply, this is the way that I do it, probably not necessary. I probably could have hit just one button and done this. Again, I'm not the most proficient person in Excel, so you could probably do much, much more than me. And then we hit enter, and there is our total. And let's increase the font on the total so you can see it. And we got to widen this out a little here. See, we got to widen this. Whoops. And let's do this. I'll do it from up here. The numbers are just, there we go. So the entire, if you had purchased this year 100 shares in each of the Swing Machines market call, in total, as of today, you would be up $500,841. Now, are there losses that have come and gone? Yes. Would you have to hold them until the bitter end? No. Each person is up to their own, where they come in, where they exit. But to demonstrate, again, almost over 400 of the S&P 500, we are in the money. And we're in the money to the tune of some $500,000. Swing Machine, when it comes to managing their positions, is not fearful. He is not greedy. He is consistent. He is objective. He is not subjective. And he doesn't at all linger on a loser. He will flip from a long position to a dip, and if the dip fails, he'll go short. Or if he's short and the price rallies into a rip and resumes short, he'll resume short. Or if it fails and actually becomes a buy, he will swallow his pride and buy the stock. Discipline, consistency, objective. Not my opinion, not the opinion of the Fast Money boys and girls on CNBC. Not even your opinion. Of course, if you want to apply your opinion to Swing Machine, maybe you want to monitor who does better. Maybe you want to compete with Swing Machine. I'm Bagger Don at StockMarketCaddy.com. We are happy to talk with you and share what else we can do. It's tremendous flexibility. From stocks, ETFs, options, daily, weekly, monthly, futures, intraday. Tremendous opportunities now to learn the futures markets now that they have expanded from mini contracts to micro contracts. Computerized trading. We're literally moving our programs to artificial intelligence. What does that mean, Bagger? That means during the course of the day, the computer is actually interpreting the data as it comes in and is making adjustments on the fly, from stop loss to profit targets to trailing stops. Tremendous. We have been doing this for years. So this isn't something that we started just 2 weeks ago. Could you do it? Sure. Takes a lot of time. Takes a lot of effort. Takes commitment. So if we can help you, though, save time, save some money. Not everybody can be a trader. But if we can help you, we're here. It first starts with you. You can either start and give me a call, 813-758-8263, or you can stop, and I'll never hear from you. But somehow, some way, you've come across this video. We don't advertise. We're not on CNBC. We don't use any spam mail. Not interested in that. You have to work quite hard, so we only want people that are committed and have a passion. Feel free to give me a call anytime. My hours are not 9 to 5. I work 80 hours a week trading and dedicating ourselves to Stock Market Caddy so that I don't have to work 40 hours a week for someone else. Thank you.